a market like today? Well, the other one, I just want to quickly play out some sound bites, is Engineers India Limited, EIL, hopeful of getting more orders, especially from global markets. And the EIL management, we had them from the sidelines of the India Energy Week, which is happening in Delhi. So just want to play out a couple of sound bites. Take a break, see you on the other side.
The oil is going to stay as we transition into the area of renewables. And to meet the demand, both the conventional projects internationally as well as domestically have to continue to be invested on. So we do see a lot of projects in particularly in the Emirates, in Saudi. We are working a bit in Guyana. So we see a lot of projects taking shape, and we are participating in a lot of tenders there at all stages, whether it is FEED work, EPCM work. And we are hopeful of expanding our order inflow from that region. In domestic segment, last year we have been awarded several projects. We are working on both the propane dehydrogenation projects in the country, several polypropylene units, 2 steam crackers now, refinery expansions. Some of them we are completing, some of them have been awarded now. So of the majority of the projects in the country, EIL has been able to garner most of them. We would have loved to garner all, but we've garnered most of them. We've also have a sizable business inflow of infrastructure segment. The stakeholders or the clients who are looking at good delivery, good quality, they're looking at good practices and know EIL as a company which is built on a lot of standards and built a lot of safety culture, a lot of other processes are engaging us in their projects in the infrastructure segment, and we're very delighted to have on board them as well.
Moving ahead, what are the kinds of challenges you're looking to resolve with respect to capital expenditure, with respect to policies, any asks from the government or from the industry specifically?
So we have been very well supported by our ministry, very well encouraged by our Honourable Minister, and it's a great enabler to an organisation like ours, which needs to be exposed to global platforms, which has been one of the focus areas of our minister and our secretary, and we are actually it's part of our growth story is as an outcome of that. We are also implementing in-house several measures to be competitive in terms of operational excellence, in terms of best practices, digitalization, which actually reduces our cost. Essentially, as a consultancy, that's our biggest cost. And the outcome is in our results in the last quarter. If you see, we had the highest margin, which is 11%, highest in several years. So I think that the proof is in the outcome that we have showcased last quarter.